Hello students, how are you all? Here I am Arindam Binath sir talking to you. Today you can find me on the screen. As you have just seen, two pictures have arrived on the screen, and I hope these two pictures are very much familiar to you. These two images, what you are getting on the screen, are at the top highlights nowadays, whatever going on. Guess what? Yes, I think you can guess it. I am talking about COVID-19 by coronavirus, which is spreading a lot, and we are fighting with the disease, especially the doctors, the medical staffs, the cleaning agents, the police administration. They are our soldiers now. They are protecting our health and our life. So today's topic, let us move away from our syllabus a bit apart. As I am a teacher, you are my students, so we have some social responsibilities about awareness. So let us today discuss about this COVID-19 so that we can more share it to aware each other. So let us proceed. So COVID-19, it's a disease caused by coronavirus, as I have told just now. So here you can see, dear children, I have given the full form of this disease, that is coronavirus disease 2019. From this total words, the short form of COVID, that is CO from corona, VI from virus, and D from disease, and 19 from 2019, in which the disease arrived first. So it is called COVID-19, and the causal agent is coronavirus itself. Let us go for a brief account about this disease. So whatever this disease is nowadays very much commonly discussed by many people, but till from our side we must have some brief account about this disease. Coronaviruses are the group of viruses that cause diseases in mammals, birds. In humans, these viruses cause respiratory tract infections, that is a problem in the breathing system. It can range from mild to lethal. That means it can start from some mild symptoms and it can go for some severe syndromes. There are yet no vaccines or antiviral drugs to prevent or treatment for coronavirus infections. Yes, the patients can recover by themselves according to their own immunity system if it is increased by some other food habits. This disease is believed to be originating from the bats or pangolins. The first known cases of COVID-19 were in Wuhan, China. COVID-19 caused by coronavirus is a contagious disease, that is, it can transmit from one infected person to another non infected person. Now let us know about some primary symptoms of this disease: fever, dry cough, runny nose, sore throat, nasal congestion, that is nasal blockage, which may lead to breathing problem. This may be sometime in some cases also accompanied with diarrhea. But dear children, not to be panic, we have to be conscious and specific about the disease. Every cough and cold and fever doesn't mean that the person has COVID-19. It may be common cough and cold also. In that case, anybody having such symptoms have to go to an expert physician for the suggestions. And most of the infected people, about 80% of people, develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. So it's not a matter of panic, it's just a matter of awareness. Now, the most important part, the mode of transmission and its prevention. There are two basic modes of transmission of coronavirus. One is human to human contact or direct close contact. One can get the infection due to viral transmission through droplets being in close contact with COVID-19 patients, especially if they do not cover their face when coughing, sneezing or clearing nose. So, it is advisable to maintain social distance of more than 1 meter and using of covered face mask. Second one is human to surface contact or indirect contact. The infected droplets survive on surface and cloths for many days. Touching any such infected surface or cloth and then touching one's mouth, nose or eyes can transmit the disease. So, it is advisable to wash our hands frequently by soap or rinse by sanitizer, especially before touching the nose, eyes or mouth. Now, beyond that, some personal hygiene are very obvious to maintain. So let us go in that cases. Cut your nails regularly and properly and keep your nails always clean. Avoid wearing rings on your fingers, or if wearing, clean or sanitize them properly every day at least twice, as these are shelters of billions of germs. Avoid using wristwatch or sanitize it properly after every use. Don't go outside home just without any vital cause. If going outside home, must use facial mask and carry soap, paper or sanitizer for frequent hand sanitization, especially if it is a public place like market railway station, etc. Wash your hands with soaps properly or sanitize them properly before entering home from outside, and don't forget to keep your shoes outside. Request or advise the same to anybody who are coming to your house, even how much they are your near relatives or friend, that doesn't matter. Do the same when you are going to anybody's home of your friends or relatives. Now, continuation of that personal hygiene. Use face mask and maintain proper social distance. Wash the mask with water and detergent after 2-3 uses. Don't use the same mask for many days, and the same mask should not be used by more than one person. The senior citizens above 60 years and the children should not go outside home until there is any medical or situational emergencies. At last, my blessings for my students. Stay healthy, stay safe. Be with your studies, be with your indoor games, be with your storybooks, and be with your all fans at home. So dear friends, these are a bit of awareness about COVID-19. You can repeat to see this video once or twice more and maintain the same as suggested, and also spread the same suggestion to others as a social part, responsible part as a student of our country. So till then, see you and goodbye.